we really need in this life? I look at myself sometimes like it's not right. People out there with no food at night, and we say we care, but we don't, so we all lie. What if there's more to this, and one day we become what we do, not what we say? We end up in all the shit that they're in, and roles are reversed, and it was different. And we were the ones with nothing to eat. We were the ones with blood in our street. We were the ones with only our screens, and they were the ones just watching on TV. And we were the ones broke down and torn, with our life at our back and our wife in our arms. And they were the ones like, damn, that's so sad. And we were the ones like, nothing ever changes. It's the only thing I know, that nothing ever changes. I'm looking down this road and nothing ever changes. No, no, nothing ever changes. Look at your dreams and your intention. How selfish it is for you to mention turning your thousands into millions. Marry a model and then you have some children. Well, they got their dreams too, I imagine, like water that won't come back to kill them. Sleeping at night without a murder in some little town you've never heard of. Nothing ever changes. At least that's how we act, like nothing ever changes. Like God has got our backs, like nothing ever changes. Looking down this road, and I can see the famous. It's only gonna grow and grow and grow. Maybe we need to wanna fix it. Maybe stop talking, maybe start listening. Maybe we need to look at this world less like a square and more like a circle. Maybe, just maybe, God's not unfair. Maybe we're all his kids and he's up there. Maybe he loves us for all our races. Maybe he hates us when we're all so racist. Maybe he sees us when we don't care, that it's heaven right here, but it's hell over there. And maybe the meek will inherit this earth, cause it was written before, so everything changes.